the best day to be driving. We can't see a thing. And I'm pretty sure we're on a road. Right here, right here. That's all road. You see that line? You see this car line? Follow it.
Okay. There goes
Nothing.
nothing. There's a stop sign.
Okay, so then just stay on the right side, and I think this is a road. We're good. Yeah, we're there. Okay, now I can't see anything.
I'm standing right there.
Just be very, very slow. Just don't go down a ditch or anything. We're good right here. Oh, whoops. Gosh, this is so beautiful though.
Really dangerous.
It is really dangerous, but man.
How are we gonna see the house? Don't say a dangerous thing. It's beautiful.
It's, don't call a dangerous thing beautiful.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Okay.
Not dangerous at all. How are we gonna see the house?
We will. It's okay.
Now that we got home from the big, ginormous storm, we have a lot of snow in our backyard, so we built a snowman. Come check it out. Hey, Cody. Remember that drive last night that we came home when we're driving home too? That was crazy. Yeah. We have a lot of snow now. And tell us what we did. Tell them what we did. Build a snowman. We did build a snowman. Come check it out. Yeah. So we have the hat. We have the mouth, the eyes. We don't have any carrots or anything to use as nose, so. But we have sticks as hands, scarf, and some little buttons. AKA cold, but yeah, it's not that tall. It's not that tall. What? Oh, was Sophie down there? Yeah. I had two things. Well, just pick one. Ooh, nice. Okay. What is he gonna do, guys? That's a big hill. Oh, that's funny. Hey everyone, today we're doing something awesome! Sledding!
We've got this gigantic hill. I mean, it's not huge, but there's Cody going. You can sled down, and Toby likes to.
I'm gonna go
Toby's
way
running
further
around in the
than
snow. Okay, let's see if Bria can go further.
I'm scared.
Woo! Whoa, good job, Bria. Wish me luck. Ready? Woo! Whoa! You're going pretty fast.
Oh, crashed into the slush.
Oh, Cody got crashed into the slush. It snowed so much, there was like a whole blizzard. It was crazy. Look at all this snow. There's so much snow, it covered everything. Guys, it was a big storm. Bria and Cody are racing. I'm the marker. Let's see who wins.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, that was a close race, guys.
I think I won.
Can you?
I think I won.
Well, of course you two think you both won. The winner was Bria.
Yeah!
By just that much, guys. That was super close race. Okay, guys, it doesn't look super steep on the camera, but this is the steepest hill in our backyard. So
It goes down with a straight down. It doesn't
no one dares do this one, but I'm gonna try it. No one dares. And I'm gonna do it while holding the camera. Bria, you film me. I'm gonna have Bria film. Ooh. Ready, set, go. Oh, God.
Oh, wide inside.
Let's go straight down.
He went wide into slush.
Huh? No.
I think he got so scared. God, no.
You got really scared?
I totally did not just fall.
All right.
You push me.
You want me to push you?
Can't get alone.
Okay. Here he comes.
Daddy, watch me. This is my favorite kid. Dad!
Oh no, I gotta run. Help! Don't throw that at me. Don't throw it at me. He threw it at me. All right, I couldn't get away from him. He threw the snowball at me. So, unfortunately, I can't even stay out of the snow. But let's see what these other kids are doing. What happened? Bria, you're supposed to be sitting on the sled.
Cody pushed me and I wasn't ready.
Hey, Daddy, I'm gonna go.
What, he went like this?
No!
I'm gonna go down slow and then we
Hey,
go so fast.
see if Toby will go on a sled. Toby, come here. Come here.
He's got snow all over.
Come here, Tobes.
Bria, why are you just sitting there? What happened? Huh? Makes me. What are you doing? Why are you making slush? We want more snow. Bria, we want more snow than slush. But don't throw that at me! Guys, she tried to throw slush at me. Oh, Cody is going down Danger Mountain is what we're gonna call that. Do you want me to try it first, Cody?
No.
Here, I'll try it first.
No.
No? Okay, he's gonna do it.
Just me a tiny bit. Move that big thing. When I do
Oh,
eat
my.
that big block.
Okay, Cody, you ready?
He's eating the snow.
Look at how steep that is. Are you ready, Cody?
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
I'm going down.
Woo! Was that fun? It's not dangerous at all.
I'm coming.
Well, that's good. Okay, move your slide. Move your slide, Cody.
It will be dangerous.
Okay, Bria, go. Woo! So I'm gonna go on the same slope as Bria and Cody, but I am going to film my reaction. So let's see how it goes. Okay, guys, I'm going down the biggest hill in our backyard.
Guys.
So, ready, set, go! Woo! Oh gosh! Snow went all over my face. Oh my! I don't even know if I got that whole thing because I went so fast. Holy cow, that was scary. Bria, what are you doing over there?
I'm gonna fill this. My thing of snow which I'm done, and I'm gonna go down.
That doesn't seem like a good idea.
Oh well.
Okay, let's see how this works out, Bria.
Fly out.
Go! And there's a whole bunch of snow.
It went up my back.
See? That's why it wasn't a smart idea. Here's the aftermath. I went down that big one and I got snow
And yet again, I'm
all over me.
All right, he's going on the big hill, guys. I'm in my room watching. Oh, it was a little bump. Oh. He hit the fence. It's going much faster now that it's more icy. I think he wants to do it again because it looks like right there is a jump and he missed it. So let's see. He missed the jump again. I'm not out there with them because I am sick. I have been sick, but the kids are having a lot of fun. Ooh. Cody, what's wrong?
I can't breathe.
You can't breathe? Why? What happened?
No, I have my nose.
Snow went up your nose? Did you fall?
I feel my face. I can't breathe.
But you're talking. Okay. 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 Are you okay now? Can you breathe now? Okay, good. I'm so glad. He could breathe now. He's fine. He could breathe now. It's all good.
We have had so much fun outside. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you give us a thumbs up. Make sure you hit the bell and subscribe to our channel. Bye.